Good morning, everybody. ADHDaniels here. Now, I know you might be thinking to yourselves, what is the perfect way to enjoy the morning with a routine drink? A lot of people have orange juice. A lot of people have milk, water even. But I prefer a little sit rock. But I want to create a special recipe today. Something that I enjoy with something that I really enjoy, and that's Smart Fruit. See, this thing, when I first tried this at Walmart though, it tasted like Rita's ice cream, and I'm telling you, dude, this thing is the bomb! Like, this thing is, like, any flavor, you'll love it. Even the shittiest flavor, like coconut, pineapple, fucking worms, like, dude, this is the shit! I wish I was sponsored by this video so I can actually have a happy face. Anywho, I want to see if I can make any of into a margarita type drink. Something that I can create. As far as I'm concerned, nothing exists though. I don't even know what to call this drink. This is a mango with strawberry, milk, and I figure if I want to get super stupid drunk, that I should probably go with this first. I should probably go with that first, but nah. So we're just gonna cut the BS and everything. Just get into the drink. Cup of ice. Honestly, I'm just getting like a short cup that's this tall. So just get like a 7-Eleven ice. They don't even charge you. They charge you 51 cents because it's whatever. Anyway, get one of these. Just get milk, any kind of milk, but fuck almond milk. If you get almond milk, you better not fucking drink it, because I don't suggest it, dude. It tastes like someone just dipped their nutsack into milk and then they made almond milk, but just regular milk. Ain't gotta do all that special shit, just get regular milk. Now, you might have to order this though, because I can't find this at Walmart, but it's called Smart Fruit though, and they got like a whole website, whole flavors. God damn, I wish they would sponsor me. Yeah, just any flavor of Smart Fruit, honestly. Because the real ingredient we're gonna be needing is this. Now, preferably you can do any flavor of Sit Rock, because Sit Rock is just basically vodka and then just like little flavor shit at the bottom. They make it look cool at the clubs with the little hieroglyphic things, but you know, it's still pretty good. Alright. So I'm gonna get my corporate landing elementary cup, because that's why I went. Yeah, I was in honor roll. You see me flexing. Yeah, I'm gonna get the cup because we're gonna need to test sample this. I'm gonna do a version with the Sit Rock and without the Sit Rock. You'll see how it is. First, we gotta get this bad boy started. You should get yourself one of these magic bullets. I missed my opportunity last Black Friday, but they're like $10, $20. Not that expensive. There's a big one over there too, but don't worry about that. Fuck that blender. Alright, first, you gotta get the ice. Now, not too high. A little bit water in there. Oh damn, looks like there's only enough room for one smoothie. Yeah, that ice melted on the way back, so I'm just gonna put all this. Yeah, we're just gonna do one take. Yeah. I'm just gonna use this cup instead of the honor roll cup though. Of course, the flavoring. Again, not too much to this line, because you're gonna want some milk. He needs some milk! I gotta find that meme too, because it's so funny. Now, we're gonna add the vodka in after. Get some milk. Oh, it tasted good. Alright, so now you see it's all milky and ready for the twisting. Twist it up, and this is how you make a Smart Blend smoothie. Any ingredient is necessary. But here's the part where we start adding the vodka to see if it really is good. We're going to do a taste test on this. Brain freeze. Fuck! I hate it when it hits your teeth. That's when it really hurts though, but yeah, you see the whole icy thing in it? Tastes just like Rita's ice cream. I just wish the job of crushing the ice would come into contact. Now here's the best part. you gotta work with me here. This vodka is about to go into this drink. You ready for it? Alright. Alright, let's put some vodka. Now, ooh, it smells so damn good already. You can tell how that's gonna be. Oh, damn it. I splashed them on the table. Looks like splooge. Alright. Test 2. This is gonna make it smoother. Trust me. Alright, this time, I'm dumping the whole bitch in there. Damn! Alright. Okay. So, I went back upstairs because the lighting downstairs sucked dick. So, let's get to this bad old boy right here. Ooh! I feel like Colombia style. Hey, hold on, let me sit up for this. I don't know why I don't have another stool though, but this could legitimately pass for a drink in the club. If you see the bartender and be like, hey, throw the DJ, throw the song on. After that, go ask him for a smart fruit blend. If they don't have it, just make them order it, they'll order it. Fast shipping and handling too. Do that, mix it with any kind of syrup, and I'm oh, I can tell the mango is just kicking. My taste buds are just having a jamboree. It's like that stadium disaster in 1989. That's how my taste buds are right now. So yeah, again, smart fruit. Sit rock. You know those little earrings that Goku and Vegeta put on to like Fusion Ha and everything like that? Fusion. That's what this equals. It's like a tropical wonder. Just a wonder of things. Imagine you're playing that level of Mario and the music's like dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 that little tropical music. Dun, 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 dun. Play that music while drinking this, and I'm telling you, it will be like paradise, dude. This drink is paradise. I'm calling this the paradise punch because it punches you in the face and it makes you feel like you're in paradise. Paradise punch, people. Paradise punch. Deuces.